Hello, welcome to the Navixy booth here at ESS Plus in Bogota. We're joined today by Raul from Howen. Thank you very much for visiting us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
To begin, could you give us a general overview of Howen?
Of course. Howen is a manufacturer of AI-powered video telematics solutions for commercial vehicles. We're a Chinese company, mainly focused on mobile recorders, but we also produce dash cams and mobile data terminals, essentially Android tablets used for vehicle dispatch.
Perfect. Now, tell us about the Latin American market. What are the main challenges end users face, and how does Howen address them?
In Latin America, the challenges differ from those in Europe, Asia, or Africa, but they all center on vehicle and driver safety. Across the region, from Mexico to Argentina, industries face different issues. But one common finding is that about 68% of road accidents are caused by distracted driving. For example, using a phone. This creates major losses for fleets, sometimes $4,000 to $8,000 per year. In logistics, it's critical to monitor drivers to prevent distractions, verify that the registered driver is the one operating the vehicle, and ensure proper management of cargo and fuel. Another key sector is oil and gas in countries like Mexico, Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia, where fuel theft is common, often involving drivers. For this, we provide integrated video solutions that measure fuel levels and track driver behavior. We also serve the mining industry, where accidents are frequent due to the monotonous nature of the work. Our solutions help prevent fatigue-related incidents and improve overall safety. And beyond mining, we also provide dash cams, widely used in transport vehicles. Dash cams are becoming the natural replacement for GPS devices, since they combine location tracking with video, 3G, 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi, and advanced monitoring features. We believe that in the next 1 to 5 years, dash cams with AI and additional vehicle data functions, like fuel sensors and driver assistance detection, will become the standard.
Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's creating a lot of buzz across industries, not just in telematics. How does AI impact Howen's devices, and how is it trained?
Our AI systems are designed to enhance driver assistance and safety. For example, with facial recognition, we can detect signs of fatigue, seatbelt use, phone usage, or if the driver tries to tamper with the camera. We also offer ADAS features, pedestrian collision alerts, lane departure warnings, and dangerous proximity detection. Recently, we added blind spot detection, which improves safety both for drivers and for pedestrians or objects around the vehicle.
Excellent. Thank you for joining us. Thanks to our latest integration with Howen, you can now use these advanced solutions directly on the Navixy platform, helping you prevent accidents, coach drivers, and cut fleet costs.